Hello student, let us discuss heavy water D2O. Okay, here if you see the preparation here, it is going to prepare by exhaustive electrolysis of water. Simply if you go for the electrolysis of water, or if you go for the byproduct, okay, byproduct in some fertilizer industry. Fertilizers means, as you know very well, so it is not the main product, byproduct. Okay, already we discussed what is the main product, byproduct in the preparation of hydrogen also. You can refer there. So here we don't have any chemical equation, so we are not going to discuss that one. Now let us see the uses here. It is extensively used as a moderator in the nuclear reactions and in exchange reactions for the study of reaction mechanism. What is the meaning of here means? Let us see here. Let us see what is a moderator, how it is going to react. Here we are taking the one here, this is a nuclear chemistry, okay. One, for example, I have one neutron here, okay. So when neutron is bombarded with the uranium, what happened? Simply think we are going to get the 3 neutrons here. Here we have number 3. Again what happened? Each neutron going to give the 3 neutrons. So here what happened? This is 3. Okay. Again it's going to become number 9. It like it's going to increase the number again means the chain reaction is going to proceed as such. To control such type of reaction, nothing but what moderator nothing but what, to control the reaction we are using the word D2O. Okay, D2O we are using the word as a moderator. It is a D2O, not the deuterium peroxide. It is a D2O. Okay, next what I told, to study the reaction mechanism. For example, I have this okay, benzaldehyde, and reaction with the OH minus gives the here acetate ion along with the alcohol. Now, so what happened? You may get doubt. This hydrogen coming from, is it OH minus or H? Okay, so you may get doubt. So what we are doing here? This hydrogen we are replacing with the what? D. Here you can see. So what happened here? Simply you can see here. This is OH minus comes as it like this, and this hydrogen is coming from the what? This one. You can come to know. Okay. Mean reaction mechanism means when reaction is going on, how it is mechanism going to produce, how it's going to come, means which atom is going there, and from where you are going to get that, you can come to know by using the word here by heavy water. Here you can see we can use for the preparation of other compound like deuterated compound. Here calcium carbide and reaction with the heavy water gives the 1,2-dideodoyethane along with the deuterated calcium oxide. Okay, here if you see what is the structure of ethane. Okay, this is structure of ethane. Okay, so simply what you are doing, instead of hydrogen you are writing the word deuterium. So that is called 1,2-dideodoyethane. Next here, sulfur dioxide on reaction with the deutero, you are going to get the deuterated sulfuric acid. So generally what happen, sulfur dioxide, if you go for the add water, simply you are going to get the one sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Here instead of water you are going to add the D2O, so you are going to get the one deuterated sulfuric acid. Next again aluminum carbide and reaction with the water, you are going to get the what? Deuterated methane. Methane structure is what? CH4. Instead of hydrogen you have the deuterium. That is called deuterated methane along with the aluminum deuteroxide. Okay. So here aluminum hydroxide means you have the formula OH, aluminum OH taken twice. Here you have the what? Aluminum deuteroxide. Instead of hydrogen you have the deuterium. So these are the uses of heavy water.